Hey, welcome back to my channel. I'm Celia. Let's do some tie-dye. So today I'm going to redo an old project because it just came out that shit. So here it is. It looks alright, right? It's so crooked. So it was supposed to be two pink vertical stripes, but it just came out so uneven. Also, I only used black and peony. Yeah. The shirt did that thing where like the side seams on the side like do this. So the stripes going down are like, they're so whack. I must redo it. Let's get to it. Okay, so I would say probably the biggest mistake I made was not taking into consideration that it would just be that bad. So to combat the seam sway, that's what I'm gonna call it, I allowed the shirt to seam sway itself. So you can see like the seam isn't like perfectly on the edge where it should be. So I'm going to like mark with the new seam. You can just skip this step. So now that it's inside out and I got my new seams, I'm going to fold it in half and do the sleeve in the sleeve thing. There. So I've got it all folded up. That's neat. Now I'm going to draw the lines on it. Okay, I'm going to scrunch it up and tie it up, and then we can dye it. So the last time I did the shirt, I used elastics instead of sinew, so I'm going to use elastics. And let's see what I did on the sleeves here. Just a tiny little bit of peony, looks like. And this one not so much. Okay, let's put it all together. So, got my tub, got this in here, and I think I will do it in the muck so that the black gets all saturated on the bottom, and so there is an actual black color, not this blue-gray trash. Okay, and then I'm gonna make just a little elevation up here so that the peony on the sleeve here doesn't get too muddied. All right, ice time. Okay, so we're going in with black and peony. I'm going to put the peony down before I put the ice in. And then, as you can see, I made 2 lines for when I put the ice on so I know where the black's gonna go, you know? I'll put a little black on. Ooh, little ice ASMR. And lastly, some soda ash to really seal it all in there. I am not coming out with another gray colored shirt. Hope not. All right, now we can sit and relax and wait forever. And yeah, I'll be back with a reveal that doesn't look like this. Okay, it's day 2 of remaking this shirt. It looks pretty good already, not gonna lie. Let's take a peek. So here she is. Look at that peony coming through. Ooh, that's so exciting. Anyways, let's wash it out. Reveal time. So, remember the original, right? Not so good. It is cool. I wish it was straighter because I do really like the colors. But, are you ready for the new one? 1, 2, 3. Now that's pretty stinking cool if you ask me. Does that look straight? Does it look straight this time? I just think it looks so amazing. I can't, like, it's not the same, you know? Like, comparatively, they're like not the same. They're like almost not even the same shirt, but they are. Okay, sleeves. Isn't that so cool? It's like a little flower. Look at this trash sleeve. That just looks so cool. Yeah. Fucking sick. It's so awesome. You're walking down the street, someone's like, hey, cool shirt. We're like, thanks. We're like, 6 sleeves, bro. I think it's great. I think it's a big step up from this. Let me know in the comments. Do you agree? If you like this, like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Which one you like better? You know? Let me know. All right, thanks for watching. Come back soon. Yeah, this is sick.